In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to TikTok Shop from Shopify. We'll walk through connecting the official TikTok Shop app to your Shopify store, then talk about adding products and a few tips to keep everything running smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect on your screen and how to move confidently through the process. First, open your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, and everything we need is right here. On the left-hand side, find the Apps section. This is where you manage integrations that extend your store's capabilities. If you don't see the app right away, no worries. Shopify makes it easy to search and install what you need. Inside Apps, look for TikTok Shop. You can open the Shopify App Store from here and search for TikTok Shop to reach the official integration. When you see it, click into the app page. Take a moment to skim the app details so you understand what it connects. Primarily products, inventory, and orders between Shopify and TikTok Shop. Next, click to install the app. Shopify will show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access. This is normal for sales channel connections. Review those permissions and confirm the installation. The app will load and guide you through setup automatically. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen to connect TikTok Shop. The flow is straightforward. You'll be asked to sign in to your TikTok Shop account, authorize the connection, and confirm a few preferences. The prompts may include options around product syncing, inventory behavior, and order handling. Go slowly, read each screen, and choose the settings that match how you currently manage your catalog and stock. If you're unsure about an option, pick the safest default. You can always fine-tune it later in the app settings. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to add products. The TikTok Shop app will display tools to bring items from your Shopify catalog into TikTok Shop. Before publishing, double-check product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing so they look great on a mobile-first platform. Make sure your variants, sizes, and colors are clear, and verify inventory levels so customers don't see items that are out of stock. If you're new to TikTok Shop, consider starting with a small selection to test how everything appears. Feel free to explore the app after you add products. You'll typically find options for bulk actions, syncing rules, and ways to keep pricing and stock aligned automatically. Keep an eye on any alerts or notices in the app. They'll help you resolve issues quickly and stay compliant with marketplace policies. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to TikTok Shop and your products are ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy growing your reach on TikTok.